Hey everybody, this is my first video. Tonight, sorry about the quality and my hair and everything. It's like 1:41 a.m. I just wanted to review I already had this and I didn't really like it, so I didn't finish it and I emptied it. I got this at uh, Dollar Tree. It's the Faygo, I don't know how to say it. Firework soda. The first thing I want to say is yes, it does taste like the red, white, and blue firecracker pops. I don't know how to describe it, but it's becoming a new flavor of energy drinks and stuff. But to me it was, too like corn syrupy because obviously, it's a cheap soda. But I noticed all the Faygo brands, no matter if it's bottled or canned, even if it's ice cold, it loses the carbonation like that. I mean, you could be drinking, have drunk that much, and then waited a couple minutes with your meal, had another sip, and it's halfway flat. Um, I probably give it out of. I'm probably gonna give it out of a. I'm, I'm probably going to give it a 3 out of 10, and I gave it a 3 versus a 1 because I didn't like it at all, because it actually did taste very similar to the pops, but it was just too corn syrupy and the carbonation. It was a big disappointment. So I will not be buying this again. Again, it was, you get 4 of them for $1.25, dollar, and then plus 5 cents each. At Dollar Tree, they come in a 4-pack. I don't recommend it, but everybody's different. So, I mean, if you have kids, they'd probably, like it on a cold day. But that's my first review, and it's a 3 out of 10.